Welcome to the Elrond Warriors 2021 tutorial series. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to make an Elrond web wallet. To get started, go to wallet.elrond.com. If this is your first time using the Elrond web wallet, you'll receive this kind welcome message. Click the Let's Get Started button. You should know that internet banking and an Elrond wallet are much different. With an Elrond wallet, you control your account. Another thing you should know is that Elrond cannot access your funds, nor can they recover or reset your passwords. You'll have to be careful with your secret phrase. Go ahead and click Thanks for the info. To the wallet. Create wallet. Go ahead and click the I understand I have to be extra careful with my secret phrase, and the I understand this wallet will be transferring real Eagle tokens. Click Continue. You're now presented with a 24-word secret phrase. You'll need to copy this down in a safe place. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will just be copying into a WordPad file, although we recommend you copying onto a paper version and putting it somewhere safe. Now that I've copied my 24 seed words, I'll go ahead and click I confirm I have written down and safely stored my secret phrase and click the Create Wallet button. Now the prompt will ask me for 3 of my secret phrase words. First, it requires number 23, which is the word little. Following that, it asks for word number 19, which matches the word maximum. Finally, it asks for word number 1 of my secret phrase, which is the word front. This is just to confirm that you've copied down your secret phrase appropriately. Click Continue. Now you'll be prompted to create a password. Passwords require a special character and a number. It also has to be at least 8 characters. So think up a good password that no one will know, and go ahead and write it in the field twice. Once in the password field and once in the confirm password field. When you're finished with that, go ahead and click the Continue button. Now that your wallet has been created, you'll notice a .json file has been downloaded. You'll have to keep that in a safe place as well, because that is like the key that matches your password. And when you want to access your web wallet, you'll use the key store field. You'll go ahead and drag that JSON file in as your key and enter your secret password. If you lose this information, you can always use your 24 key seed word phrase to regain access to your account. Now that I've accessed my account, there's nothing left to it. You can begin using Eagle. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting tutorials in the future. Take care.